Norton Sound Radio.
Tunefenyuro ye Norton.
Norton FM.
Fame you wanted, money you wanted also, but tinema pinya ziraze kukurira iwe, tinema pinya ziraze kukurira iwe, tinema pinya mwana.
Well, Rufaro Mapfumo is an Afro jazz musician who has released a single album, Inima Songs 7, and the album is entitled Kuda. Well, there is really nothing much to say about my album, but all I can say is my music defines my world. Well, it's quite a long story, but I'll try and make it short. It was after this person who just bombed in my life, who claimed to be my promoter, wanted to take advantage of me. You understand? I mean, he wanted to have an affair with me. So that's when I got the motivation of writing this song, Fame. I just ended up singing it from Norway. Yes, it is the main reason why many ladies are being overshadowed, because you know this thing called desperate. You can be desperate to the extent that you won't resist the pressure, you see. So you end up being forced to accept the exchange, as in the exchange of sex with the fund. I think you should have another source of income. That is, besides being a musician, you should have another job so that you can be able to fund your projects on your own. Yes, I would want to work with Gonyeti. As for the male artist, I would love to work with Progress Chipfum. For the meantime, I don't have a manager. In fact, let me say I am desperately in need of a manager. My favorite track is Shidzoka, because I lost a lover at some point. And at the same time, my fans, they seem to appreciate that song very much. Yes, very soon I'm releasing a video for that, my favorite song, Shidzoka. I think in 3 weeks' time it will be out. In the coming 2 years, I see myself as an recognized, appreciated international musician, and I'm hoping to have released, I think, 2 more albums and many videos, of course. Yeah. Dewa, of course. I was his fan and still I am his fan. So Tongai Moyo, Pambirina Dewa.